up guys? I'm back again. So look, this is my pet. She's named in the I'm in the Philippines. Look, the name the bird of is it's Itik. What? It's an ugly name, but its actual name it's Itik. Name of the bird. So what's wait? Did she eating? Oh, she's eating. Look, she's eating. Huh? Ba't tinatakpan? So, if you see it, oh wait, I'll just grab it.
Okay guys,